Hey guys, welcome to Baby Cook That Thing, where we cook that thing. Anyway, today we're making chili. Good stuff, amazing stuff. The best chili you've ever had in your life. Now, it might not be the official blah blah, whatever chili, whatever they make in Texas. Is that where, I don't even know if that's where chili's from. But it's gonna be freaking amazing because I have a few secrets. So, we're gonna get cooking. I'm not yelling, speaking a little softly, because the wife is sleeping, and if she wakes up, I'm gonna die. And then this YouTube channel is gonna go nowhere, which means you're not gonna get good recipes. So please bear with me for the quiet talkie. All right, let's get to it. All right, so for the veggies, you're gonna need 2 green bell peppers, as well as 2 medium-sized onions, and this entire freaking thing of garlic. Yes, that's right, the entire thing. All right, so for the seasoning. By the way, I'm just kidding about the garlic. You could put in as much or as little as you want. I'm just a little crazy with the garlic. So you need a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1/2 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, a tablespoon of chili powder, and a 1/4 teaspoon of ancho chili powder, if you have it. Doesn't matter. It's not really a big deal. But this is the main thing right here. The main thing right here. A 1/4 cup of chicken bouillon powder. You know, they come in the little cubes sometimes, but this is, you might think it's a crazy amount, and you might think, are you out of your mind? Why that much? But let me tell you, you need that much. This is one of the secrets I was talking about. This is gonna make your freaking chili, oh my good lord, oh my good lord. All right, so moving on. So for this next stage, we're gonna keep it short and sweet. Nobody wants to see a grown man fry beef for half an hour. Basically, now more like 20 minutes. You want to take about 1.5 pounds to 1.75 pounds of beef chuck, or some high fat content beef, and just fry it off till it gets brown and kind of sticking to the bottom. I'll show you what that's like in a second. So we remove the beef, and this is what we have. It's not burnt, but it's brown, and that's a lot of flavor right there. It's all gonna come out when we fry our veggies. So while the beef is frying, that'll be a good time to start chopping up your veggies, so you can save time, because you just need to stir your beef every now and again. So chop up your bell peppers and your onions. You could give it a rough chop, they don't need to be too fine, except for the garlic. The garlic should be a little bit more fine. And then just chop everything up, and then add it to the pot after you've removed your beef. And you'll see, you should add a bit of salt, as you'll see me doing in a second there, and that'll extract the moisture from your veggies. And that will actually help out with removing the little brown stuff which is stuck on the bottom, which is what we want, because as we said before, that's the flavor. That's the roasted beef flavor. So add your onions when your bell peppers are softened up, just like that, and just stir them around and make sure everything's done at about medium heat, medium high, depending on your size of the flame. And that's it. Remove the brown stuff and you'll be good to go. So once your veggies are translucent like this, but not falling apart, you want to go ahead and add your seasoning, all of the seasoning. And don't worry, none of that seasoning got left behind on the plate. As a matter of fact, I even put a bit more in there. So it's up to you, you can add as much or as little as you want. It just depends how much flavor and spice you can handle. And also remember to add salt at each stage. I mean, to taste for salt, so you can see if you need more. So now you want to add your beef. And you want to make sure all the seasoning and all the veggies are well incorporated into the beef. So you want to mix it very well. Make sure it's all mixed together. And then what you want to do is add some water, but just to barely cover up the beef. You don't want to turn this into soup. This is chili, not soup, chili. So yeah, and that's all you got to do. Let it simmer for about an hour and a half. Even 45 minutes if you're lazy, but the more the better. And get yourself a plate of rice, or put it on some bread. Just pour it all on top. In reality, I put in a lot more than this, but I just didn't want to seem crazy in front of the video, in front of the camera. So yeah, that's basically it. Let's give it a taste. All right, giving this a try. Holy crap. This is the best thing I've ever had in my life. You've got to try this. There's people laughing in the background. We don't care. We don't care. Confident with this chili. Anyway, it's really amazing. You got to try it. See how simple it was? A few little things here and there. No big deal. It really is absolutely amazing. You let it simmer for like an hour and a half, even 45 minutes. The flavors, all those seasonings marinate together, it's out of this world. So if you guys want more recipes like this, just comment down below. Be like, yes, more recipes. Or, you know, whatever you want, anything you want to see, just let me know. We'll make it happen. And if you like this video, please give it a little thumbs up, subscribe, hit the little bell so you can get the notifications. And that's it. Until next time, maybe cook that thing. Bye.